So, you're in the market for a drone, but you're not looking to break the bank, right? You've likely heard that the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the go-to choice, and honestly, it's fantastic. But then there's the Potensic Atom 2, which is being touted as a budget-friendly alternative that could rival DJI. The big question is, can the Atom 2 really stand up to the Mini 4 Pro? Or is it just another decent attempt? Today, we're comparing these two drones in terms of camera quality, flight performance, battery life, smart features, and more. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one suits your needs. Let's dive in. Both the Potensic Atom 2 and the DJI Mini 4 Pro are lightweight, foldable, and highly portable. This is a huge advantage because it means you don't need to register them for recreational use in the US, and you can fly them with fewer restrictions in many other places as well. The Atom 2 has a compact and sleek design. While it doesn't feel cheap, it doesn't exactly scream premium either. It's made of plastic, which feels sturdy but clearly reflects its budget-friendly nature. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro exudes premium quality. From the way it folds to the overall build, it has that high-end DJI polish. If you've ever used a DJI drone before, you'll immediately notice the difference. If portability and lightweight design are your main concerns, either drone will do. But if build quality is a priority, the Mini 4 Pro takes the lead. That said, most people aren't buying a drone just to admire its build. Let's see how these drones perform in the air. First things first, the Atom 2 is not a true 8K drone. Yes, it has an 8K mode, but that's only for photos, not video. The actual video resolution maxes out at 4K HDR at 30 FPS, which is still impressive for its price range. It features a half-inch Sony CMOS sensor with an f1.8 aperture, which delivers decent low-light performance and good color depth. Potensic has also included an AI night mode to enhance brightness in darker environments. While it's not groundbreaking, it's more than enough for casual users. On paper, both the Atom 2 and the Mini 4 Pro boast 48 megapixel cameras, so you're getting highly detailed photos with either drone. However, when it comes to video quality, the Mini 4 Pro is in a league of its own. It has a larger 1 by 1.3-inch sensor, which results in sharper images, better dynamic range, and cleaner footage overall. Plus, it can shoot 4K video at 100 FPS, allowing for smooth slow-motion shots, something the Atom 2 can't do. For those who are serious about video editing, the Mini 4 Pro also offers D-Log-M, a flat color profile that gives you greater control over color grading in post-production. If you're just flying for fun or sharing content on social media, the Atom 2's 4K HDR video will suffice. But if you're aiming for professional-grade footage, the Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner. Now, let's talk about how these drones handle in the air. After all, even the best camera won't matter if the drone flies like a shopping cart in a windstorm. Surprisingly, the Atom 2 performs quite well in flight. It features AI follow mode, which allows it to automatically track moving subjects, great for vlogs and action shots. It also includes dolly zoom, quick shots, and cruise control, making it easy to capture cinematic footage with minimal effort. However, there's a significant drawback. The Atom 2 lacks obstacle avoidance. This means you'll need to be extra cautious when flying near trees, buildings, or other obstacles. The Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, is practically foolproof. It comes with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, meaning it can detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, front, back, sides, and even above and below. If you're an experienced pilot, the Atom 2 is perfectly fine to fly. But if you're a beginner or just want a drone that won't crash into things, the Mini 4 Pro is the smarter and safer choice. Both drones come equipped with a range of smart features that make flying easier and more enjoyable. The Atom 2 offers AI track, which allows the drone to follow you in 3 different modes: spotlight, follow, and parallel tracking. This makes it easy to capture dynamic shots without much effort. It also has a vertical video mode perfect for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Additionally, Smart Transfer lets you quickly send footage to your phone without dealing with SD cards. But DJI takes things to the next level. The Mini 4 Pro features ActiveTrack 360°, which not only tracks you but also avoids obstacles while doing so. Whether you're biking, running, or even driving, the drone will stay locked onto you without crashing into anything. On top of that, the Mini 4 Pro includes Master Shots, which automatically creates cinematic sequences, and hyperlapse mode for capturing stunning time-lapse videos with minimal effort. If you're looking for basic tracking and social media-friendly features, the Atom 2 is a solid choice. But if you want advanced automation, obstacle-aware tracking, and professional creative tools, the Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner. Both drones claim to offer 34 minutes of flight time, but in real-world use, you can expect around 25 to 30 minutes from both. This is pretty standard for drones of this size. However, the Mini 4 Pro has an ace up its sleeve. It offers an optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which extends flight time to 46 minutes. The downside? It pushes the drone's weight over 250 grams, which may require registration in some countries. In terms of range, the Atom 2 uses PicSync 4.0, providing a 10-kilometer transmission range, more than enough for most users. The Mini 4 Pro, however, uses OcuSync 4.0, which offers a 20-kilometer range and better connection stability, especially in areas with interference like cities. While most people won't be flying 10 to 20 kilometers away, DJI's stronger and more reliable signal is a definite advantage. Now, let's talk about the price, because this is where things get really interesting. The Potensic Atom 2 starts at $329 and the Fly More combo costs $449. In contrast, the DJI Mini 4 Pro starts at $759 and the Fly More combo will set you back $1,099. Yes, that's more than double the price of the Atom 2. So, is the Mini 4 Pro worth the extra cost? If you're looking for a fun, reliable drone for casual flying and social media content, the Atom 2 is an excellent value. But if you want the best camera, the most advanced tracking, and the safest flight experience, the Mini 4 Pro is worth every penny. Here's the bottom line. If you're on a budget and want a great drone without spending a fortune, the Potensic Atom 2 is a fantastic choice. It offers solid video quality, AI tracking, and smooth flight performance at a much lower price. But if you want the best sub-250-gram drone on the market, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the way to go. It's superior in almost every way, but you'll pay a premium for it. Ultimately, both drones are excellent. It just comes down to how much you're willing to spend. So, which one do you think is the better buy? Let us know in the comments.